friend. Now we start the half yearly syllabus. You have some 6-7 chapters in the half yearly. Now I start with the 6th chapter. Your 6th chapter name is animal world. Okay, firstly I want to give you one all the best for this new session, new syllabus. आपका जो ये new syllabus start हो रहा है, and I know that there is some little bit problems with you in अच्छे से समझना. It's not so easy by the online, but you everyone done really well in the PA1 also, and I hope in the half yearly also you have done give you 100%. Be active in the group and be active on the YouTube channels. If you like this video, then like and subscribe our channel. And now I start the chapter. Chapter is animal world. Okay, firstly I want to tell you what's the meaning of animal world. Animal world meaning is there is a world जहाँ पे बहुत सारे animals रहते हैं, different categories and different type of animals, like different type of birds with different type of pet animal, wild animal. There is insects, reptiles, and lots of there is so many categories जिनको उनकी categories के according set किया गया है. For our easiness, when we want to find out any one animal, then we go their categories and find out the animal and get the details easily. Okay, now I start the chapter. Your chapter first chapter started with the exercise matching. Okay, there is some animal pictures you can see in your book. Be with your books also, then you can understood really well when you got with the videos and books. Now I start the exercise 1. It's matching. There is some animals with their categories. You have to match them with their categories. Number I start with the A. A is leopard. Leopard is the wild animals जो forest में रहते हैं. They is not the pet animal or domestic animal नहीं है. ये wild animals होते हैं. They live only on and forest. Okay. Now and zoo also. Now B is fish. Everyone know that fish is a water animal. It's live in the water. Now elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. And now D is here. Here is a pet animal. Here is also called rabbit. Rabbit को ही here बोलते हैं. It's a pet animal जिसको हम घर में रख सकते हैं. It's a wild animals also जो forest में भी होते हैं. There is a pet animals also. These are categories wild and pet animals. Okay. Now E is cow. Cow is a domestic animal. She live in the shed. उनको हम shed में रखते हैं. They give us milk and cow mud and we can make with the milk is ghee and sweets also. Everyone know that there is lots of occasions जहाँ पे हम cow milk से घी बनाते हैं and sweets also we make it at home. Now its F is pigeon. Pigeon is a bird. It's kabutar. Everyone know that. It's a bird. Now I start the exercise 2. There is lots of exercises. You have to do some in book and some in copy also. There is a lots of space you can write here. Now your second exercise is write the name of domestic animal who do the following for us. These are some animals जो हमारे लिए क्या करते हैं. Okay, you have to write the correct name. Give us milk and meat. Who give us milk and meat? Cow give us milk but not meat. Okay. Who give us milk and meat? Both. It's a goat. Okay. Now gives us wool. Everyone know that. Who give us wool? It's a sheep. Correct. Now give us eggs. Who give us eggs? We eat the eggs now. Some people are eat the egg. It's a hen. Okay. Now D1 is plug and draw our cart. It's a bullock cart. Now it's used to ride or draw carries and tangas. It's horse. Everyone see in the cities. Here is also tangas. You can see. Now is used to carry load. Who is carry the load? Everyone know that it's donkey. Donkeys are the carry the load. Now carries goods in desert. Who carries goods in desert? Who is the carry the load goods? It's a camel. Everyone know that camel. Camel को रेगिस्तान का जहाज भी बोलते हैं. Everyone know that it's a camel. Now your third exercise started. This exercise you have to done in your copy also. I give you PDF also. You can got the PDF from the school app. There is you can understood how many exercises you have to done in your copy and how many exercises you have to done in your book. Okay. Now start exercise 3. Exercise 3 is animal babies. There is some animal. उनके babies की name आपको write down करनी है with the given space. Okay. Use the help box. Help box is for you. Use the help box and write the correct name. A baby cat. We call the baby cat its kitten. Okay. Now B is a baby cow. Baby cow we call calf. A baby lion. Baby lion called cub. A baby swan is cygnet. Baby swan we can call cygnet. A baby horse is foal. A baby deer is fawn. And a baby sheep is lamb. And a baby goat is kid. There is a pictures also. Be with your books when I am explaining. When you watch these videos, then open your books also. Then you can understood really well what your teacher is explaining in the particular line. Now turn the page. Now I start the exercise 4. Exercise 4 is what sound do the following animal make? Okay. These are some animals. You have to write the sound names. What these sounds. Okay. Number 1 is lion. How many students are know that what's the sound of lion? You read this sound name in the last session also. In class in KG class also. Now I tell you also it's a roar. The cow sound is moose. And the horse sound is neigh, and the cat sound is meow. Everyone know that. The duck sound is quack, and the crow sound is quack, and the cock sound is crows, and the elephant sound is trumpet. Everyone know that. If you have any type of problem, then you ask to me in the given time in WhatsApp group. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, कहीं पे भी problem आ रही है, then you can ask to me in the group. Okay. Now I start the exercise 5th. Exercise 5th is matching. Match the animals to their homes. There is some animals and their homes also. You can match the their animals with the correct home. Okay. Now I start with the A. A is bear. How many students are know that where bear is live? Bear is live in den. Now cow. I also tell you in the previous time when I start the chapter, then I tell you. Cow live in the shed. Spider live in web. Then dog live in kennel. Horse live in stable, and squirrel live in drain. Okay. Now we start the quiz. Your chapter is end here. Now start a quiz. Quiz is there is a first exercise. There is some rhymes. You can these lines you learned in your last class in KG class is a so simple rhymes. You have to complete these lines. Number A is Mary had a little lamb. Mary के पास क्या था? Little lamb. Now Baba black sheep. It's a sheep. Have you any wool? You learned these rhymes in the last class. Hoppery doppery dog on the mouse. It's a mouse run up the clock. Now number D is two little ducky birds. Two little ducky क्या थी? Birds. Now there came a big spider. Now this exercise is finished. Now I start the second exercise of quiz hall. Second exercise is say how many leg and arms do the following categories have. These are some animals. You have to write the correct arm and legs. How many they have legs? How many they have arms? A spider has legs. How many spider have legs? Everyone know that it's 6. Sorry, 8. Now a snake has legs. Do you know snake has legs? No. It's no, so you have to write here no. Now an octopus has arms. How many octopus have arms? It's 8. Now a turtle has legs. How many have legs? It's 4. An ant has legs. Ant has how many ants have legs? It's 6. F is a kangaroo has legs. How many he have legs? It's 2. Write the sound following animals. There is a 4 animal. You have to write the sound. Monkey. What's the correct sound of monkey? Is chatter. And frog. Frog is frogs. And owl is goats. And mouse is squaxes. The last exercise of the quiz hour is fourth. Fourth is see the pictures and fill the correct word or in the given boxes. Pictures you have to you can see the pictures in your book and write the correct word. The shatter of a word is called. It's next. Cannot fly in the sky. Who is cannot fly in the sky? It's kiwi. Our national bird is, everyone know that, peacock. Our national animal is, everyone know that, tiger. Now we come to the activity. Activity is a one-page activity you have done in your book. Activity first is the tick the animal with the different form of other. There is a 4 animals. It's a first is dog, then fish, cat and rabbit. Like odd one odd, जो odd one out होते हैं उस तरह से ये first exercise है. You have to take the correct odd one. It's a fish. Fish is live in the water and all other animals are living on the land. Fill in the crossword puzzle with the help of the pictures cubes. There is a 4 pictures. You can see the picture and write the correct word. First is rabbit, second is elephant, third is camel and fourth is tiger. Okay. Now this is the last exercise, exercise 3 in the activity. Match the following, write the answer in the box. Carries its baby in its pouch. Who carries its baby in its pouch? Is kangaroo. Everyone know that. A flightless bird. Who is the flightless bird? Is kiwi also, and there is a picture of ostrich. Then you can match in the ostrich. A flying insect. A flying insect is butterfly. Dies if taken out of water. Who come out of the water and it's die? It's fish. An insect that walk on its leg. It's cockroach. Okay. Now the 6th chapter is end. There is a quiz. It's also done. Activity is also done. I hope you understood. If you have any type of query, then you ask to me in the given time on WhatsApp group and start your study. Thank you.